Good morning, students. We are here with theorem 6.5. This is your last theorem for parallel lines. The statement of theorem 6.5 is if a transversal intersect two lines such that a pair of interior angles on the same side is supplementary, then the two lines are parallel. 6.4 में हम लोग देखे थे कि if a transversal intersect two parallel lines, then each pair of interior angles on the same side of a transversal is supplementary. Do you know supplementary? The angle of sum of two angles is 180 degree. Means supplementary angle is also a pair in form of pair. So angle 3 plus 6 180 degree we have already proved in theorem 6.4. Now this is your 6.5. So from 6.3 we can write it given part. What will be given part? L and M are two lines intersected by a transversal T such that angle 3 plus 6 is equal to 180 degree and angle 4 plus 5 is equal to 180 degree. It is already given. So that we have to prove the lines are parallel. Lines are parallel के लिए हम लोग सबसे आसान ये है कि corresponding एंगल हम लोग इक्वल कर दें. जब corresponding एंगल इक्वल हो जाएगा तो लाइन पैरेलल हो जाएगा. तो गिवन पार्ट भी हम लोग लिख सकते हैं और गिवन के बाद रिक्वायरमेंट का तो टू प्रूव एल पैरेलल टू एम. नाउ वी शैल write the construction, but we are fortunate that it theorem has no construction. We have already read in 6.1 theorem. It has no need of construction. Similarly 6.2 there no need of construction. 6.3 also similarly 6.4 and 6.5. It the all five theorems having no construction. So now we proceed in proof. In proof, angle 4 plus 5 is equal to 100 degree, 180 degree it is already given. And angle 4 plus 5 is equal to 180 degree given. And angle 1 plus 4 is equal to 180 degree. How? 1 plus 4 is from linear pair. If we consider that line L stands on transversal T, that is line T, then linear pair form and we can write 1 plus 4 is equal to 180 degree. So 4 plus 5 is equal to 180 degree and 1 plus 4 is equal to 180 degree. The right hand side are equal. 180 degree is here and 180 degree is here. So that angle 4 plus 5 is equal to angle 1 plus angle 4. 4 से 4 कैंसिल हो गया. एंगल 5 इज इक्वल टू एंगल 1. तो what will be angle 5 and angle 1? Angle 5 and angle 1 are the pair of corresponding angles with a transversal T are equal, means corresponding angles are equal. So we know that from 6.3 axioms कि if a transversal intersect two parallel lines, then each pair of corresponding angles are equal, then lines are parallel. Sorry, it will be the axiom 6.4, not 6.3. It will be axiom 6.4. We have already read in earlier class. There are three conditions. So 3 from original part and 3 from converse part. This will be the 6th. And we treated first from original part as a axioms, and similarly from converse part we consider first condition as axioms. Without axioms we can't prove, because the proof part will be so large. तो इस तरह से हमारा जो प्रूफ पार्ट है इतना लंबा हो जाएगा कि हम लोग उसको प्रूव नहीं करते हैं, बिकॉज इट इज़ ऑलरेडी प्रूव. यह प्रूव किया हुआ है, इसलिए हम लोग को मानते हुए चलना है. यूनिवर्सल एज ए यूनिवर्सल ट्रूथ हम लोग मान के चले. हम सूरज पूरब में उगता है, क्या यूनिवर्सल ट्रूथ है. इसके लिए अगर कोई प्रूफ मांगे तो क्या हम लोग प्रूफ दे सकते हैं? यही ना प्रूफ देंगे कि सुबह में जा करके दिखा देंगे कि देखिए सूर्य भगवान जो है सो मॉर्निंग में इस डायरेक्शन में जो है उदय हुए हैं. तो ठीक उसी तरह से हम लोग यहाँ एंगल 5 और एंगल 1 को एक्सियम्स 6.4 के आधार पर ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ 6.4 axioms we can say that line L and M are parallel. तो यही हमारा थियरम 6.5 था. थैंक यू स्टूडेंट्स.